Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2700 1.6 CDTI 120 L1H1 engine knocking. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 98,620. MOT, the 10th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine but runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,225 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.